Hello everyone, and welcome to my review of the brand new GRC LIghtning McQueen. Now, as I just mentioned, this is the latest variant of LIghtning McQueen. So we all know you've never been seen, never been released before. And I think it's a quite nice variant. It takes its inspiration from the original, classic LIghtning McQueen, but adds some special styling to it, if that makes sense. What else? This is Thailand variant, of course, so the decals are probably a bit grainy, which is not exactly the best. That's one reason why I prefer China. So let's have a look at him. So he's got a nice, happy expression. Hey, probably because he got a new paint job by Ramon. All new expression, I believe. I don't know. But hey, still, he's got a very detailed, I'll admit, GRC logo. Global Races Cup is what it stands for. Acronym. There we go. And I think you just see the white lightning bolt with blue outline. Hey, which is nice. It differentiates from all the red. The lightning bolt's even more prominent on this, on the roof and stuff. Even bigger. And this is just a GRC on the spoiler. And, here we go, I just realised, but I'm not sure if you can, how well you can see it, but, white, there's this lighter red that fades into a sort of, darker red, sort of like a maroony colour, if you ask me. Here we go, you can definitely see on the back. Here we go, number 95. Yeah, as he's always been. Those number was originally intended to be 57, since that's John Last's birth year. I think he might be based on, I think it has the Cars 1 mould, I believe. Which is interesting. Still keeps some of the main components of the original, as I already mentioned. Silly me.